Howdy folks, how you all doing? Happy New Year for 2020. Thank you for all my old subscribers and all my new subscribers who have started following along on the channel. Greatly appreciated. The numbers are going up on the count list now. Hopefully 2020 will be a better year for all of us. Hopefully it'll be a better year for me as well. I'm loving doing this lathe work at the minute, and this is what we're going to be doing today, another lathe video. I purchased some of these potpourri lids from Axminster tools. So I've got a nice chunk of oak set up on the lathe at the minute now, ready to go. So stay with me and let's knock this bad boy out. Right, that's the end of this little project now. Turned out really nice, really pleased with this. The lid's just snug in there. It has got a bit of a friction fit. But as you can see with that pot, look at the shine. It's got some nice medulla rays in it as well. Nicely finished off on the bottom. This one will be going up on my Etsy store. This piece of wood was in one of the boxes of offcuts what I got from English Woods. It was a small piece what had a crack through it, and I just cut the crack out of it, and that was the piece of wood what was left over. I don't think I've got the offcut from what come off it, but it was a slightly bigger piece with a crack in it, and I just cut the crack off, and that's the piece of wood what come out of it. As you can see, it's had sanded to 400 grit, cleaned it off with meths, 2 coats of sanding sealer, denibbed in between coats. I've lost my words now. Abrasive paste from WH Creations, and shine juice. That's the little bottle. I made up some shine juice and polished that out. Got the heat up in it so it gives it that friction to make it glossy, and then I give it a coat of WH Creations butter, which was that stuff, headstrong butter, and then that was it. Just give it a final wipe down and showed it you guys. Right, that's the end of the video. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, please share the video, check out my social media links in the description down below. Go on my Etsy and check out my Etsy store. There might be something on there what takes your eye and you'd like to purchase it. All the money what gets spent on the Etsy store goes to paying the bill and helps buy more stuff so I can turn it on the channel and show you guys. But we'll see you again. I hope you had a great new year, and catch you when I catch you again.